What is happening?
Nothing.
What about to say? Watch me.
Everybody loves that chair.
I can see why. This is Mrs. Smith with her new service automatic.
I swear it does say Mr. Smith. Or
Is
is it
it
the
actually?
Bendix one?
I don't know. It looks so good. Look at it. Look at it. What's it doing? Heating?
Not yet. It's on fire, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Envy much.
I knew you were going to do that.
Well, clearly not, because he jumped.
Yeah, I know, but I didn't know when to expect it,
Push it
did
on
I?
the machine when it flew yesterday. It's all twin.
Mm-hmm.
Ew. Ew. It's alright.
The switches look black in the video, but they
Yeah.
look brown in real life.
It looks
Weird.
really brown on the camera.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so nice there.
Yeah, I know.
After the video, you've got to take a hold the light back up.
Yeah.
Take a photo. I want one.
Huh.
Will it fit in my suit? I think these are W40.
Oh, that's the motor being stupid again. It's the
No
brushes,
change
I
there
think.
then.
It's the brushes, I think.
We'll do it tomorrow. Main wash, 60 degrees.
BANG! Stop doing that!
It's good revenge.
Yeah, true.
Nice hand.
Hmm.
What's the tumble rate?
4
Ratio.
seconds tumble to about 10 seconds pause or something.
Still, the rhythm hasn't changed.
No, like I said, it goes all the way through like that.
Even on rinses.
Yeah.
I thought it was more intense.
No?
Oh, for God's sake. It's alright, I joke, it's cool. Does it say rhythm for cottons and delicates?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 10 4, 4 10, whatever.
It does it on delicates as well?
Yep.
Fair play.
The only thing it doesn't do on delicates, I think
You spin.
it
After
does
rinses.
3 rinses instead of 4. That's about the only difference, I think.
Okay, fair.
I can't actually remember.
Have you used delicate washes?
I have, but I can't remember the difference.
I couldn't use it though.
Huh?
Look at the manual.
Yeah.
Is that a video?
Whoops. Don't know.
Naturally.
Looks good here.
Ooh. recording.
Why are you being annoying?
Why are you even here?
Huh?
Why are you even here? Oh. If you could do your phone, that would be great. Thank you. Sorry. Aren't they really quick pieces?
Fairly quick, yeah.
How's
Good timing.
How do you do this? How do you record it?
Please don't be out of balance. Fairly balanced, I hope.
He says, no Colourfast.
We'll see.
Is there conditioner in it yet?
No. I'm not actually going to put any in it.
Why?
Because it's...
Oh,
doesn't need it.
nothing yet. It's good, man.
One second.
Come on, it's cooking my fingers.
So is mine. How smooth.
Smooth and silk.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, it's running so much better.
you're welcome.
Yeah. So grateful.
It came in handy once.
Yeah.
It's done.
You can retire now.
Oh.
Nice water look as well, man.
Yeah.
Bang! Don't do that.
I like scary movies.
Yeah.
The shadow of the water on the clothes.
Huh?
The shadow of the water on the clothes.
Yeah, I know. Oh, it's raining just about. Okay.
Is it gonna go?
No,
Is it gonna move on?
when it moves on.
Weird.
It wants to attack me.
I checked it well.
The whole phone's shaking because I'm shaking. Oi!
Move over. Start moving towards the cupboard ever so.
Yeah, that's that.
So cool.
Yeah, it does.
Whole little collection.
Yeah. What washing powder? Clear as anything.
News day.
Can't even see the water in the video.
Clear in my life intentions.
Clear in the politics.
No, I can't see it on camera.
Huh?
Can't say that on camera.
Why not?
Because, just in case. Oh, you can just crack my phone a little.
Why?
I press on it so hard. Oh god. Still a fire in the oven for it. That'll be never because I'm a skint sloth.
Better go up smoothly this time.
You will do, I promise.
I hope so.
I was binding a nice new one. I want to see that. That'll be a thumbnail for the video. It shouldn't be for now.
If it is, I will laugh so much.
There's more water on the floor than in the machine.
What? Why?
If you laugh so hard.
Oh, well,
You're not even rotating it.
no, I'm not trying to.
Ow, my arm is itchy. No! What is this? No! First world problems.
When I've uploaded these, I'm going to see what they sound like on slow motion as it wears up.
Yeah. We'll just film a spin in a slow motion set by yours.
Could be.
There's the water coming out, I think.
Yeah, I know.
Whoa! Got a hold of the rinse full in there.
Huh?
Got a hold of the rinse full in there.
Yeah.
Itchy eyelid. No.
It's always itchy when you've got your hands full.
Yeah. No. Chucking buckets around.
Yeah, I know, it does that.
There's more water there than on my patio. hasn't tripped.
Yeah, I know, it's amazing. It's gonna go off in a sec.
Is that shit?
Yeah,
You sure?
pretty sure.
When will it go down?
Huh?
When will it go down?
In about 4 minutes, 3.5 minutes. So smooth and stable.
So meanwhile, well, that's not what I said.
What an awful noise you make.
Oh, I can't help it. Let me look.